Everyone, welcome to African Note Food. Happy Sunday to you all. Today we're making Koose. We have Koose number 2, a different one that we're making. The first one that we did with the skin on, and the second one we're doing without the skin. So please stay tuned and see how we do this one. Yes, so we have 1 medium-sized onion and 2 scotch bonnets because I like my Koose really hot and spicy. And we have 1 bell pepper, half, and then we have aniseed, yeah, and then we have salt, and we have our blender here. We're going to chop everything and put everything in here to blend. So I have added everything. Now I'm adding the salt. So I will add 1 full teaspoon of salt. And everything else is underneath. I got the onion, the bell pepper, and the aniseed in there. And we're going to blend our beans. So we have blended the beans. This is how it looks like. Now we're going to fry the beans. We have our oil in our pot. Okay. And we have our ice cream scoop. You can use anything, any tool of your choice, yeah? I'm using this one, it's easier for me. Okay, so let's go ahead. See, that's the first one. 2. So remember, the first one, the first Koose that we did add eggs and all that into it. But this one, there's no egg. So this one is free, there's no egg. So I think it's good for vegetarian also. You should try this method as well. It's really good. This is our Koose. It's still doing. I have leaving it for 2 minutes now. I'm going to leave it for another 1 minute and then I'll take it down. Voila! Dr. Koose is ready. It's done. Look at this. Look how fluffy this thing is, and it's spicy and it's nice. Please do try and give me a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and let me see. And I'm going to eat this. Bon appetit. Thank you. Bye.